fun. That's so much fun.
Sydney, do you like it?
Where are you going? You can go through the tunnel of water? Oh, is Sydney gonna go with you? That's gonna be so much fun. Alina! You should come over here.
Where you going, Sid?
Hi. You want to go the other one, Sydney? Oh, you're being so silly. Look at you. Good job. That's fun, huh? Isn't it nice to have it all to yourselves? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was okay. You had to make you upset. I'm happy.
Oh, you're rolling now?
Wow.
I'm going, hold on.
Hi. Hi, Doogie.
Oh my goodness. Alina.
All of us smartphones.
We all have a video camera.
Everyone's got their iPhones and their video cameras. It's required for you to come in here.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm ready, honey.
Oh, I'm sorry to
Being
interrupt.
scared.
Okay, come on,
So too,
Alina.
but yesterday he did 3 times yesterday. Wow, nice work. Yeah, he seems scared.
Eileen, or Sydney, be nice.
Oh my goodness.
Did you get tackled, Sid? Did you tackle you?
Ashel, hey!
Rolly, are you a roly-poly?
Oh goodness, Alina, be gentle. You've been watching too much football with Daddy.
Are you gonna do something?
Whoa, Sydney!
Good job, Sid. You almost did it
That
yourself.
was amazing! Good job! I thought you was doing a handstand. That was good.
Yeah, the other day at gym, they were like walking across the plank thing, and then there was like this wedge padded. She gets to the wedge, and she just stops and gets down and tries to do something.
Wow. That's insane. So she learned that at
A
my
lot of
gym?
times they do like that type of skill.
That's really great.
Hi.
Hi, ladies. Come on, Alina.
Hi.
Come play with Sydney.
Look, the duck is quacking.
You like it in there. You go night-night? Good-night, Alina. You going night-night, Sydney?